This stotram is praising all the goddesses and is also saluting them. In the second line of most of the shlokas, we are asking goddesses to grant us beauty, victory, glory, and to destroy our enemies. Atha Argala Stotram. Om Asya Shri Argala Stotra Mantrasya Vishnur Rushihi Anushtup Chandas Shri Mahalakshmir Devata Shri Jagadamba Pritaye Saptashati Pathangatvena Jape Viniyogaha. Om Namashvandikayai. Markandeya Uvacha. Om Jayantvan Devi Chamunde Jaya Bhutapaharini Jaya Sarvagate Devi Kalaratri Namostute Jayanti Mangala Kali Bhadrakali Kapalini Durga Shiva Kshamadhatri Swaha Swadha Namostute Madhukaita Bhavidvamsi Vidhatru Varade Namaha Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Mahishasura Nirnashi Bhaktanau Sukhade Namaha Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Dhumranetra Vadhe Devi Dharma Kama Arthadayini Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Raktavija Vadhe Devi Chandamunda Vinashini Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Nishumbha Shumbha Nirnashi Trailokya Shubhade Namaha Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Vanditangri Yuge Devi Sarva Saubhagyadayini Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Achintya Rupacharite Sarva Shatru Vinashini Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Natebhyas Sarvada Bhaktya Chaparne Duritapahe Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Stuvadbhyo Bhakti Purvantvai Chandike Vyadhinashini Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Chandike Satatan Yudhe Jayanti Papanashini Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Dehi Saubhagyamarogyam Dehi Devi Param Sukham Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Vidhehi Devi Kalyanam Vidhehi Vipulam Shriyam Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Videhi Dvishatannasham Videhi Balamuchakaihi Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Surasura Shiroratna Nigrushta Charanembike Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Vidyavantai Yashasvantan Lakshmivantai Chamankuru Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Devi Prachanda Daudanda Daitya Darpani Shudini Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Prachanda Daitya Darpagne Chandike Pranatayame Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Chaturbhuje Chaturvaktra Sansute Parameshwari Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Krishnena Sanstute Devi Shashva Bhaktya Sadambike Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Himachala Sutanatha Sanstute Parameshwari Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Indrani Patisadbhava Pujite Parameshwari Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Devi Bhakta Janoddama Dattanandodayembike Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Bharyam Manuramandehi Manovruttanusarinим Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Tarini Durga Sansara Sagarasya Chalodbhave Rupandehi Jayandehi Yashodehi Dvishojahi Idam Stotram Pathitva tu Mahastotram Pathennarah Saptashatiyum Samaradhya Varamapnoti Durlabham Iti Shri Markandeya Purane Argala Stotram Samaptam.